Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Charlie with RPM Alamo. Come check out our office parks right here at 1103 New Laredo Highway. Let's go check them out.
This property is 536 square feet and market rent at $1,100. All utilities are included, with 2 private suites, laminate flooring throughout, and welcoming common area. Don't miss out on this convenient office space located between Southwest Military Drive and South Sasamora Street, just a short drive from Lackland Air Force Base. Features a private suite with laminate flooring throughout and a welcoming receptionist area. With endless opportunities for your business, this office space is a can't miss. Let's go check out the surrounding area, see what we got here. Positioned in a great area here in San Antonio, this place is full of endless opportunities. Thank you for joining us today. If you want any information about this property, please contact us today at lease@rpmalamo.com. We'll be happy to help with any questions you may have.